Hey everyone! Today, we're exploring a question I get asked all the time. Should I use coconut oil or olive oil? It's a tough choice, right? In this video, we'll take a closer look at the pros and cons of each oil. We'll explore how they stack up in the kitchen for cooking and baking, their impact on your health. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which oil fits your needs and lifestyle. So, stick around because you might be surprised by what you learn. Let's get started. Coconut oil versus olive oil. Which is better? Both coconut oil and olive oil are highly praised for their health benefits, but they serve slightly different purposes. Here's a breakdown of their unique properties to help you decide which one to use based on your needs. Olive oil, the heart-healthy choice, rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Olive oil is composed of approximately 78% monounsaturated fats, primarily oleic acid. Oleic acid has been widely studied for its ability to reduce inflammation, lower bad LDL cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. Regular consumption of olive oil can help lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases, stroke, and high blood pressure. It has anti-inflammatory properties. While olive oil contains a small amount of omega-6 fatty acids, which are generally associated with promoting inflammation, it is unique in that it counteracts inflammation instead. This is largely due to its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly oleocanthal, which has been shown to mimic the effects of anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen. Make sure to stick around because we're about to share the best way to use olive oil to get the most out of its incredible health benefits. It's rich in phytonutrients. Olive oil is full of beneficial plant compounds called phytonutrients like polyphenols and flavonoids, which provide extra health benefits beyond just vitamins and minerals. These natural compounds act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, which help keep your heart healthy. Now, have you ever wondered what the best ways are to use olive oil in your cooking routine? Olive oil is perfect for salad dressings, drizzling over cooked dishes, and low to medium heat cooking, where its flavor and health benefits can be fully enjoyed. Due to its sensitivity to high temperatures, olive oil may lose some of its beneficial compounds, such as antioxidants and polyphenols, when used for frying or other high-heat cooking methods. Before we dive in, if you're enjoying this content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us until the end, because we'll be revealing which oil truly stands out for your health. You won't want to miss it. Moving on to coconut oil, the immune booster high in saturated fats. Coconut oil consists of approximately 92% saturated fats, predominantly lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid also present in breast milk. Next, it supports the immune system. Lauric acid, a key component of coconut oil, has potent antimicrobial properties that play an important role in enhancing the immune system. It helps combat harmful pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, making it effective against infections such as Staphylococcus and Candida. Wondering how to get the most out of coconut oil in your daily life? Coconut oil is highly versatile, making it a staple in both cooking and personal care routines. In the kitchen, it is ideal for cooking at medium-high temperatures and is especially popular in ketogenic diets as its medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, provide a quick, efficient source of energy. So, which one to choose? Both olive oil and coconut oil offer unique health benefits, and the key to optimal health is incorporating both into your diet rather than choosing one over the other. Each oil has specific uses and strengths. Use olive oil, best for supporting heart health, drizzling over salads, or as a finishing oil to enhance flavor in cooked dishes. Its high content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants makes it excellent for daily low-heat use. Use coconut oil, ideal for boosting immune function, high-heat cooking, and providing a quick energy source, especially for those following a ketogenic diet. Its stable saturated fats and antimicrobial properties offer diverse health benefits. By including both oils in your routine, you can enjoy their complementary advantages, ensuring a more balanced and nutritious diet. Thanks for sticking around. I hope this breakdown of coconut oil and olive oil gave you some valuable insights into how these oils can fit into your health and cooking routines. Remember, there's no need to choose one over the other. Both have their strengths, and when used wisely, they can complement each other perfectly. Now, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness tips. And let me know in the comments, are you team coconut oil or team olive oil, or maybe both? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay curious, and keep making informed choices. Take care.